can you turn off that radio? Because I get in trouble for that.
Thanks. Hey guys, this is more for Melanie than anything, but I figure I'll just show this. This is not far from our home. This is elk, and they're just sitting here. Look at this beautiful white one over here. Little baby white elk. What? Oh, what is that? I don't know. That's white. This is unusual. I've never seen a white whatever it is. Oh, there's a little... Oh, there's a pretty little white thing over here, too. They're so calm. Yeah, it looks like... I don't know what those little ones are. Spots on them. So I'm going to have to bring Melanie over here one day. Huge protected area for the animals. Good to know. Look at the size of that. Wow. Big. So that's a very common animal where we live here. And a friend of mine's showing me. Definitely I'm bringing Melanie back here. And, funny enough, I'm sitting right next to you so I can say thank you in person. I'm usually thanking you on video. Alright guys, some natural wildlife here in the area.